7 tips for restoring your self-worth after a toxic relationship. Hi and welcome. I'm Linda, Certified Transformation Life Coach and founder of Majestics Academy. I love personal development and I love helping you grow and helping you to take your power back. So if you love personal development, transformation and mindset, you are in the right place. Now let's go over to these 7 tips for restoring your self-worth after a toxic relationship. This is really close to my heart for personal reasons, and so I would like to share these tips with you to help you to take your power back. Well, that didn't go right. We walk into a relationship with so much enthusiasm. We think what we found is the best thing in the world, which is heady feeling while it lasts. Sadly, when a relationship is toxic, we're frequently the last to know. By the time we escape, our self-worth has already taken a hefty blow. So how do you restore positive feelings about yourself after a toxic relationship? The first one is to release your victimhood. The more you focus on what happened, the more you get stuck. So the sooner you can quit revisiting the past and dwelling on the perceptions of ill treatment, the sooner you're going to get to put it all behind you. This doesn't mean to say that this was your fault, but obsessing about the shoulds and going back over every encounter is only going to hurt you, regardless of whether you were in the right or not. Drop the blame. Was it your fault? Definitely not. The sooner you can let go of any residual guilt or bad feelings about the relationship, the happier you'll be. The next step should help, which is silence their voice. The problem with toxic relationships is you tend to believe what the other person said about you, no matter how outlandish it seemed at the time. Now their voice is there, lurking in your head to remind you of all your so-called shortcomings at every opportunity. Time to tell them to shut up once and for all. Now embrace the new you. Find joy in being single. Spoil yourself. Do that thing you always wanted to do. Take lessons. Build your skill set as you build yourself up. Become your own best friend in a way that doesn't require validation from any outside source. Believe your friends. You hear the compliments, but they're going in one ear and out the other. Rather than brush off the nice things people around you are saying, start listening. Listening until these words become a part of who you are. It's so interesting how we are. When people say negative things about us, we tend to believe it immediately, and when they say positive things, we just brush it off. So stop doing that. Embrace those compliments and know your truth. The next one is to create goals you love. What would you like to do with your life? Too often our goals reflect the needs and desires around us. Now is the time to reverse this. Accepting you are capable and your goals are worth fighting for. What do you want to do? Affirmations. Work through the worst offenders of negative self-talk through positive affirmations. Take note of what you're telling yourself. Rewrite the script and turn these statements around into affirmations that you read to yourself every day. A tip I like to give is write the negative thing in pencil and then at least 4 or 5 positive things that is the exact opposite of this negative thing that you know and believe about yourself. Then read those every morning and every night. And then after 7 days, rub out the negative ones that you wrote in pencil and then these negative ones will be replaced by the positive ones. Continue to read the positive ones every morning and every evening. Remember, this is a process and is likely to take time. By reminding yourself of just how amazing you are and focusing hard on these steps, eventually you will start feeling the difference, even if you don't see it yet. Hang in there. If you would like more personal development tips and strategies to help you to take your power back, go to majesticsacademy.com and see all the articles and things I have available there for you to help you to take your power back. Be blessed. Bye.